Imagine unfolding your phone not once, but twice, turning it into a tablet-sized powerhouse that redefines the meaning of innovation. Yes, Samsung is about to change the entire smartphone game with its upcoming Galaxy Z Trifold, a device that's not just futuristic, it's revolutionary. But before you think it's just another foldable, wait till you hear about what's packed inside, because this phone might just make every other flagship feel outdated. The Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold is the first ever triple folding smartphone from Samsung, designed to deliver the ultimate mix of portability and productivity. The moment you open it, you're greeted with a massive 7.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display that looks absolutely stunning with its QHD+ resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or streaming Netflix, the display feels like pure magic in your hands. When folded, it becomes a sleek and pocket-friendly device, and when fully opened, it transforms into a tablet, literally giving you two devices in one. Under the hood, Samsung has reportedly packed the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chip, built on cutting-edge AI-driven architecture for next-level performance. This chip not only boosts gaming and multitasking speeds, but also works intelligently with Samsung's Galaxy AI to learn your habits, manage power efficiently, and make your experience smoother than ever. The AI camera assistant automatically enhances photos, removes unwanted objects, and adjusts lighting in real time, so even your random clicks look studio-ready. Speaking of the camera, the Galaxy Z Trifold comes with a powerful 200MP primary sensor, an ultra-wide 50MP lens, and a telephoto 12MP zoom camera, delivering crisp, detailed shots from every angle. And thanks to Samsung's new AI Fusion engine, you can take DSLR-level portraits and cinematic videos even in low light. Imagine recording in full 8K with vibrant details, then editing your footage right on your foldable screen. That's the kind of flexibility this phone brings. Now, let's talk about power, because all that performance needs a strong battery to back it up. The Galaxy Z Trifold features a 6,000 mAh dual-cell battery that splits across its panels, optimized by Samsung's adaptive AI for efficient usage. It supports 65W fast charging and 30W wireless charging, so you'll go from 0 to 100 in no time. And yes, reverse wireless charging is still here, perfect for powering your Galaxy Buds or smartwatch on the go. Samsung didn't stop there. The phone is rumored to run on One UI 9.0 based on Android 16, offering seamless multitasking and split-screen features tailored for the foldable design. You can open up to 3 apps side by side, drag and drop files, and even turn your device into a mini laptop with Samsung DeX. The in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, IPX8 water resistance, and Armor aluminum frame ensure this futuristic phone remains tough and secure. Now here's the twist. Rumors suggest Samsung might unveil the Galaxy Z Trifold at its Unpacked event in February 2026, alongside the Galaxy S26 lineup. But here's where it gets exciting. Early leaks hint that Samsung may introduce an exclusive holo mode, using advanced AI projection to display content in a 3D-like interface when unfolded. Just imagine watching videos or scrolling social media in holographic 3D. That's the surprise Samsung's been quietly working on. So, what do you think? Will the Galaxy Z Trifold become the future of smartphones, or is it just too far ahead of its time? One thing's for sure. This phone is set to shake the entire smartphone market and redefine what's possible in mobile technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And stay tuned till the end of my next video, because I'll reveal a secret Samsung accessory that might come exclusively with the Trifold. Trust me, you won't want to miss that surprise.